So this is Bowlby's maternal deprivation theory. AO1, Bowlby suggested that disruptions to an attachment bond, even short-term disruptions, could result in serious and permanent damage to a child's emotional, social, and intellectual development. He called this the maternal deprivation hypothesis, which is MDH. Intellectual development involves mental retardation, low IQ, characterized by an abnormally low IQ. Bowlby argued that extreme cases of MDH could lead infants to become affectionalist psychopaths, which is the inability to experience strong emotions for others. Bowlby stressed the importance of the critical period for a child's psychological development. If a child is separated from their mother within that time, psychological damage is inevitable. This is AA3 now. A criticism with Bowlby's MDH is that much of the evidence relies on correlational data. Therefore, it is difficult to establish cause and effect conclusions between separation and emotional and behavioural characteristics, as other factors could have contributed to the findings, such as peer influences or dispositional characteristics, for example, personality. This in turn weakens the validity of the research and the support for MDH. Evidence to support the link between affectionalist psychopathy and maternal deprivation hypothesis was carried out by Bowlby on 44 delinquent teenagers accused of stealing. The findings of the investigation revealed that all the thieves displayed signs of affectionalist psychopathy, i.e. lacking affection and guilt. 14 of the 44 thieves were described as affectionalist psychopaths. Out of these, 12 had experienced prolonged separation from their mothers, from their primary caregivers in the first 2 years of their lives. These findings support Bowlby's MDH and the importance of the critical period, and that disruptions within that time frame can cause affectionalist psychopathy to occur. However, a limitation of Bowlby's theory is that he failed to distinguish the difference between deprivation and privation. Rutter distinguished between deprivation and privation. He argued that severe long-term damage that Bowlby associated with deprivation is actually more likely to be a result of privation. Many of the 44 thieves investigated by Bowlby had moved from home to home during their childhood, so may have never formed attachments in the first place. This weakens the validity of the findings from Bowlby's study and turn the validity of the MDH as the cause of affectionalist psychopathy may not be due to deprivation as Bowlby believes it to be.